That's what we got going on now. Here's the new piece. See how straight that is? There's the other piece. You really see the damage. Engine's gone. I like the mark where I got where the new piece is going. All the way under there. Going in here. This is all the new piece. This is all new piece. Not too bad. See where I marked it? That's all where the spot welds are. The drill that's from the inside though, I think. Oh, these ones. There's more under here. See one there. They run all up there too. It goes right to here. These are the last ones. Not much holding this van up, I'm telling you. This new piece is right there. Where that strut goes. That's the new piece, or the old piece that's got to come out. All that's going to be grinded off.